It's true what they say. Yes, it is true what they say. Whenever you sell one of your Holdens, a part of you dies inside. That's what I'm feeling at the moment. If you're not sure what that means, normally when I do these videos, there's another HSV that sits behind the camera right there. It was a 2006 VE Senator with 266,000 kilometers on the clock. But yes, as my last video, it has been sold. Welcome back to Curtis LSA YouTube channel, and for those that are new here, my name is Matt. Well, there we have it. 2 years of owning you, and you're about to be gone to a new owner. So this is the last you'll see of the HSV VE Senator on the channel. She's gone to a new home. So yes, the VE Senator has been sold. It's gone to a loving home now. I'm sure the person who actually bought that vehicle was actually watching this video, because he did watch it to purchase it. So I hope you're enjoying it as much as I did. And it's gone to a loving home, and I appreciate and I respect that person for making the sale quick, simple and easy. I had a lot of people say, oh, it's very cheap and you're undermining HSVs selling for, you know, big prices. Well, you look at it this way: if I had have advertised it for $35,000–$40,000 on car sales or marketplace, it'd probably still be sitting here waiting to be sold. I put it on marketplace two weekends ago, and within a week and a half it was sold. So yes, it was probably a little bit low, but it's gone to a loving home, and it's not sitting in my driveway, not being used anymore. So that's the reason why it was so low. And just on the VE Senator, I'm quite aware it's called a Senator, and it's pronounced a Senator, not a Senator. A few videos ago I had a couple of people saying to me, oh, it's called a Senator. It's not a Senator, it's a Senator. Senator is how it's said. So I'm quite aware of that before people start saying that on the channel. But yes, she's sold. Now, with the GTS, she's actually going into the workshop on the 13th of March 2026. So been chatting to the workshop. The engine will come out of the vehicle. The vehicle will be towed back to me for a couple of weeks because they're quite busy at the moment. They can't store it there. There's not enough room. They'll get the engine put back together with the dart and sleeves, pistons, rods. I'm going to leave the crankshaft standard. Yes, I'm aware that I could get that upgraded, but just leave it standard. Get that all put back together, and then they'll give me a call. The GTS will be towed back to there. The engine will be put back in the vehicle, tuned, and then I'm told probably, if all goes well, if all the parts arrive on time, probably mid-April, late April, that I'll have GTS back on the street. So I'm very excited. The ball is rolling with what's going on here. GTS will go in a couple of weeks after I get back from overseas, and get it all fixed. Now also, it might be a bit of a surprise that I might be doing an upgrade of something that sits on top here, but let's just see how prices go, all right? So yes, I'm throwing a lot of money at a Holden. I do it because I love my Holdens. I've always been a Holden owner, and I hate to see a broken Holden sitting in a garage soaking up dust for months and months and months. So again, that's the reason why I made the price of the VE Senator so cheap, was to get the money in to get the repairs done on this and get this back on the streets. And as I said in the last video, whether or not once this is finished I buy another HSV, I don't know yet. So I may do, depending on finances, but let's just see how that goes. So yes, 13th of March this goes in to get repairs started on it, and then fingers crossed, mid-April to late April, she should be back on the streets ready to go. So I'll give you updates on what's going on when it gets towed down to the workshop, and also how it's going with the engine repairs. But yes, the ball is starting to roll, things are starting to happen, so I'm very excited. Stick with me, updates are coming on the channel. GTS will be back on the street in no time. Yes, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And as always, my name is Matt, and you've been watching Curtis LSA TV.